In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a credit card on Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly buy any crypto asset available on Binance through their mobile app with a credit or even a debit card. You will be able to do this by using the latest version of the app as long as you have an account and it is properly verified. So once you sign into your verified Binance account, you will be able to get started by choosing credit or debit card from the home screen. You can also access Buy Crypto from the Trade/Fiat tab. So when you choose credit or debit card, or you go over to buy crypto, you will be able to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. You can search for a specific cryptocurrency using the search function at the top or scroll through the list. You can change the filter to see different ranks and find a specific asset that you want to purchase. Once you choose any cryptocurrency available here, you will be able to fill the amount that you would like to purchase. You can switch the fiat currency if you would like to choose another, and you can also enable the recurring buy function to schedule regular crypto purchases via the same credit card. So when you choose the amount of crypto that you would like to purchase, you will be able to select Pay with Card among the payment methods. If you have not linked a card previously, you will be asked to add a new card to this list. So your name should already be filled out and you just have to include the full card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Once you include all of those details, the card is going to be attributed to your account and it is going to be used for this purchase. Check that the amount that you wish to spend is correct, and if everything looks okay in the order summary, you will be able to tap confirm at the bottom of your screen and the transaction is going to be complete. The purchased cryptocurrency has been deposited in your Binance Spot wallet, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with any valid credit or debit cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to use credit card on Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.